Hello guys, today is Scrooge Crypto Investor and today we say about Bitcoin. Bitcoin and altcoins is an end of the cycle of the hope for recovery. As interest in Bitcoin and crypto commerce continues to decline, the number of search queries surrounding them is decreasing. This trend seems to be reflected in the price movements, leaving many to wonder if we are entering the end of a market cycle. Is there a potential for recovery or a peak already passed? In this article, you will dive into data it often goes and toys in order to help you understand where the market might hand. Today, Google Trends and the declining interest in Bitcoin. Let's start by taking a look to search interest for Bitcoin as tracked by Google Trends over the last 5 years. There appears to be a correlation between Bitcoin's price and the search volume for it. For insights in mid-November 2021, from the 10th to 16th, Bitcoin search interesting peaked and at time its price went in impressive $90,000. Since then, the price has remained relatively stagnant and showing only slight increases. However, interest in cryptocurrency as a whole is slightly different. While Bitcoin search interest has dipped, searches for general cryptocurrency have stayed relatively elevated. This could be attributed to individuals who, after seeing Bitcoin high price, are looking into alternative crypto commerce. And deep search for general cryptocurrency has stayed relatively late. This could be attributed to individuals who, after seeing Bitcoin's high price, are now looking into alternative cryptos as the made for more upside potential, but is more potential rewards come higher risk. Over the last 5 search interest for crypto as a whole remains at around 50% of its peak value. The stocks of altcoins. What about altcoins? We say now in examining the market capitalization of altcoins cryptocurrency outside the top 10. It became clear our growth has been stagnant in recent months, while the overall market cap for Bitcoin surged by 43% during the same time period. Altcoins have not shown similar gains. This highlights an important point. Altcoins are often much more volatile and risky than Bitcoin, which continues to be the dominant force in the market. Looking at data from 2017 to today, Bitcoin has increased roughly 5 times in value from $20,000. Today is $100,000. It's very big, strong to up. In comparison, the market cap of altcoins over the same period has grown by just under the 3 times only. Under. While new altcoins are constantly emerging, the market capitalization of these altcoins has not significantly outperformed Bitcoin's long-term growth. This seeks at holding a broad selection of altcoins in the hope of outperforming Bitcoin may not be the best strategy. Instead, it's like a better audit to use altcoins for short-term trading, especially during what is known as altcoin since this is altcoins typical outperform Bitcoin, offering greater affordability for short-term games. One day altcoins sees a cure. So, and do altcoins outperform Bitcoin? A useful indication for this is a Bitcoin dominance, which measures the proportion of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization held by Bitcoin. One Bitcoin dominance is at a high levels, above 70%. It signals that altcoins may begin to outperform Bitcoin as Bitcoin dominance starts to away. If again Bitcoin starts up, then down, and then altcoins up to our target. Currently, Bitcoin dominance stands around 61%. Its same win may have another year or even two before we reach the 70% threshold. Our altcoins can outperform Bitcoin. At this point, we could witness the start of a true altcoin season. Another you to rank this is a total 3 metric which represents the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is the top 10. By comparing this to Bitcoin's market cap, we can observe a trend in the relative performance of altcoins. Historically, the range from bottom to top has provided a return of about 3x. However, the inverse is also true. Bank at the top and selling to the bottom could lead to 75% loss relative to Bitcoin. And then avoiding long-term altcoin instrument. From this data, it's clear that the altcoin market doesn't show the same level of constant growth as Bitcoin. The altcoin market can remain in neutral for extended period, while Bitcoin trends to outperform altcoins in the long run. For this reason, it doesn't make sense to allocate 80% to 90% of your portfolio into altcoins right now. Bitcoin is more stable and is the leading cryptocurrency in terms of market cap, while there are short-term opportunities for trading altcoins, particularly during moments when altcoins outperform Bitcoin. Long-term investment in altcoins may be less fruitful. Historically, altcoin reels only listed for a few moments in its periods, usually flow times Bitcoin is already significantly dominant in the market. We rent it at a stage, meaning we will have more time before altcoin truly kicks in. The takeaway. The bottom line in the Bitcoin continues to be the safer bet for long-term investment. Although altcoins can provide short-term trading opportunities, holding on to them for extended period of time can be risky. It might be wiser to stay primarily in Bitcoin while watching for altcoin season to capitals on potential price swings. Until then, the broader trend signals that Bitcoin will remain the most dominant and stable cryptocurrency in the market. Bitcoin's long-term outlook, how ETF dominate and shrinking liquid supply could shape the future. If a movement is and into the next 2 5 the border for the influence Bitcoin long-term trajectories come into clear focus. While the short-term market moves and altcoin performance may fluctuate, Bitcoin fundamental conditions to indicate highly bullish outlook, particularly UN examine Bitcoin growing institution demand with shrinking liquid supply. Bitcoin ETF growing a force in the market. One of the most important developments over the past year has been the rise of Bitcoin ETF inflows. One extends the correlation between Bitcoin ETF float Bitcoin price performance. You can clearly the price during periods of strong ETF inflate Bitcoin's stand to rise. Conversely, ETF outliers. All the ETF hold only 8.59% of Bitcoin's total supply has become the incredibly significant player in the market. In community, Bitcoin short-term price action may experience volatility and altcoins may struggle in compromising the long-term outlook for Bitcoin. RAM credible bullish. The combination of increasing ETF demand, a shrink liquid supply, and the continuity of Bitcoin by both retail and institutional investors set the four significant features price operation. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go watching other my video in my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Write comments please what you think about Bitcoin, altcoin, Solana. Okay, let's go.